A place of pure serenity, Sindhli district is more than just a geographic region nestled in Nepal's Bagmati province. It's a canvas painted with the vibrant colors of natural beauty, rich history, and enthralling culture. Like a book yet to be read, the district mystic invites every traveler to unfold its page one after another. Hello and namaste. This is Miss Sandesh Neupane and you are watching the Sandesh Neupane. I am back again with another video. In this video, I'll be discussing about Sindhuli district. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And how was the video? Please comment at last. If you like the video, like it and share it with your friends so they also can know about it. The allure of Sindhuli is deep-rooted in its geography. Stretching over an area of 2,491 square kilometers, this district teems with a diverse landscape, a mix of low-lying Tarai Plain and the mid-hill of Mahabharat Range. Sindhuli's geographical grandeur is also reflected in its biodiverse flora and fauna. It's not uncommon to find yourself sharing a moment with the local wildlife while traversing its picturesque trail. Enriching the natural splendor of Sindhuli is its unique blend of old world charm and contemporary lifestyle. The district exudes a rustic charm through its historical sites and local traditions. Stories of yesteryears echo through the ruins of ancient monuments and the local folklore. Simultaneously, the pulse of modernity beats in Sindhuli's vibrant marketplaces, local schools, and infrastructural developments. A land of contrast, Sindhuli district, gracefully perched between the district of Ramechhap to the north, Okhaldunga to the northeast, Udaipur to the east, Kabreplanchok to the northwest, Makwanpur to the west, Rautad to the southwest, and Sorlai, Dhanusa, and Mauttari to the south, presents an inviting tableau of nature's artistry. With an incredible assortment of geographical features, Sindhuli is where Mother Nature has generously sprinkled her best elements. The Tamang, Newar, Brahmin, and Kshatriya communities form a significant part of the population. Yet every community, no matter how small, has its role in crafting the cultural landscape of Sindhuli. The primary language of communication across this community is Nepali, serving as the bridge between various ethnicities. However, the music of local dialects, Tamang, Newar, Maithili, and others, add to the linguistic richness of Sindhuli. Each dialect is a repository of unique folk tales, proverbs, and idioms, narrating the stories of their respective communities. Reflecting the district emphasis on education, Sindhuli boasts a literacy rate of around 65%. Schools dot the landscape of the district, ensuring that every child has access to quality education. Efforts towards adult education and vocational training are always underway, driving the literacy rate upwards and opening new avenues of growth for the residents. At the heart of the district, the headquarters Kamalamai pulsates with the rhythm of everyday life. For those interested in administrative matters, the Sindhuli district operates under the oversight of nine local governments. These are Kamalamai, Dudauli, Golanjor, Ganglek, Hariharpurgadi, Morin, Sunkosi, Pikhal, and Tinpatan. As you delve deeper into Sindhuli, you discover attractions that resonate with the district's spirit. Siddha Baba Mandir. This revived shrine holds a special place in the hearts of the local. Legends say the temple was founded after a divine dream, and ever since has been a symbol of faith and hope. The serene ambience of the temple, coupled with its spiritual significance, make it a must-visit place. Marine Khola Hydropower Project. Sindhuli's commitment to sustainable development is exemplified by Marine Khola Hydropower Project. This initiative not only powers local homes but also stands as a testament to the district's progress. A visit to the project provides an insightful understanding of how modernity is being harmoniously woven into the district's fabric. Kamalamai Temple, named after the district headquarters, Kamalamai Temple is a place of spiritual and historical significance. Its ancient architecture holds stories from the past, and the spiritual aura infuses peace into the visitors. The temple's annual fair is a vibrant spectacle, making it an attraction worth witnessing. Sindhuli Gadi. It is one of the most historical and ancient places, which was a war zone between Gurkhas and the British Army. It is located in the height of a hill, which was beneficial to Gurkhas as it made them easier to attack against the invader. They won the war by using different techniques and troops. The scene which is seen from the height is so much eye-catching, which you can see in the photo and videos as well. As we wind down our journey through Sindhuli district, it's clear that this treasure trove offers more than just a peek into Nepal's heart. Whether you are a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or a nature lover, Sindhuli district invites you with open arms to lose yourself in its enchanting beauty and discover the many surprises it holds. Pack your bags and get ready to create unforgettable memories in Sindhuli. Thank you for watching the video till end. How was the video? Please comment down in the comment section. If you like the video, please press the like button and don't forget to share it with your friends so they also can know about the place. And if you are new to my channel, please press that subscribe button and don't forget to press that notification bell. Hope to meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.